You go to bed thinking, tonight I'll finally sleep. But like clockwork. 2 a.m. You wake up. That pressure hits. And you're back in the bathroom again.
Most people blame water, age, weak bladder. But that's not the real reason.
The real issue? Fluid shifts, body temperature, and poor nighttime signals. Today, I'll show you 5 hidden mistakes causing this.
You already know, don't drink before bed. But here's where people get it wrong. They stop too late. That small glass at night, that's the problem.
Your body takes 1 to 3 hours to process fluids. So what you drink at 10 p.m. wakes you up at 2 a.m.
But drinking late shuts it down. The fix is simple. Stop liquids 3 hours before bed. Not 1
hour, not 1 hour, not just a sip. 3 full hours. You fixed your water, but you still wake up.
Now look at your dinner. 2 problems. Eating too late, eating the wrong foods.
Cucumber, celery, salads, even spicy food. These can act like natural diuretics, leading to more bathroom trips.
Fix it. Eat dinner 3 to 4 hours before bed. Move salads to daytime. Keep dinner simple and warm. This one is simple but powerful. A young adult Hispanic man goes to the bathroom, but he's rushing. He leaves 10–20% behind.
That small amount, it wakes you up later. The fix is called double voiding.
Sit down. Empty your bladder. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Try again, that second release. That's what saves your sleep.
Your body is like a thermostat. If it's too hot, you don't enter deep sleep. If it's too cold, your body produces more urine.
Yes, cold actually makes you pee more. It's called a natural body response. So what's ideal? Slightly cool room, breathable clothes.
Just cool enough to relax your system.
This is the big one, and almost no one knows it. All day, fluid collects in your legs. Gravity pulls it down.
Then you lie down. That fluid returns to your bloodstream. Your kidneys react and start producing urine.
That's why you wake up hours after sleeping. Not because of what you drank, but because of where fluid was stored.
You need to beat gravity. Before bed, elevate your legs for 1 to 2 hours on pillows or against a wall.
Let that fluid drain early so your body handles it before sleep. Then go to bed with lower fluid load and fewer interruptions.
Your position matters too. Back plus pillow under knees.
This reduces pressure on your bladder and improves circulation. This reduces pressure on your bladder and improves circulation.
Now you're thinking, this is a lot. And you're right, so don't do everything. Follow this rule. The rule of 1.
Pick just one mistake that hit you the most and fix only that for the next 3 nights. That's how real change happens.
This isn't about pills. It's about understanding your body. Fix the cause, and sleep fixes itself.
That's your starting point. Type FPLAN in the comments if you're trying this tonight. Sleep deeper, wake up less. I'll see you in the next video.
Sleep deeper. Wake up less. I'll see you in the next video.